Okay, so today we'll be learning some new basic HTML tags. So let's start by opening our HTML document, opening the head, closing the head, opening the body, closing that up, and then let's just close our HTML document and save it. Make sure it's a .html file. Okay, so now we have our sans text highlight. Let's start out by making a centered, bold title in the head of the document. So to center something, we simply make a center tag followed by the title. And then we have to close that also. So say we want this to be bold. Then we do with the B tag, which stands for bold obviously. Now anything after that bold tag will be bold unless we close the bold tag like that. Okay, so now that we have our bold centered title, let's just add a line. So we're going to do HR. Okay, so let's go into the body. Start out by adding a new paragraph saying this is the start of our document. Whoops. Now let's make a new paragraph and add an image. Adding images is pretty easy. Basically, you do image src. Src stands for source, and then you do equals and then quotes, and the quotes is the exact file name. So say the image was called image.png. You have to make sure you have it the exact, like uppercase, lowercase, and the file extension. Then it all has to be exactly right, and then you close it. So then if I had an image called image.png on my desktop, it would appear here. And then you can also use tags like center with the images. Okay, so let's make another new paragraph and add some text that is both underlined and italicized. So we'll use I for italics and U for underline. So whoops, not the best speller. Let's go ahead and close both of those. Okay. Now let's show you how to do links. Make another new paragraph, and to do a link you start with a hyperlink reference is what that stands for, and then you do equals just like with the image, and then you do the URL. So this one will go to google.com. Basically you can also put local files in, but they will have to be in the same directory as this HTML file. So now we can do the link text, which would just be link. And then we can close our anchor by using the close. That's how you do a link. Okay. One more thing. Let's learn how to do lists. So we're going to start out by doing an unordered list. These are bullet point lists. So we start the unordered list. Now we start a list item. Then we close the list item. Then we start another list item called second. And then we can just keep adding list items until we're done with our list. Then we close the list with a closing UL. Say we want to do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. list. Then we do ordered lists. And we can just copy and paste this code and do the same thing. So yeah, there you go. Okay, so let's test this document now. We save it and open up the HTML file. This is what it should look like. you can see we have the title and a line. And then this little blue question mark shows that there's no image there. It's because I don't actually have an image called image.ping on my desktop. But if I did, the image would show there. But yeah, we got our title, our line, start of our document, the text, link to Google, and our list. Click the link, and it works. Make sure to test out or try out the other video tutorials also.